Flames rage fiercely, sirens blare, firefighters charge into a life and death battle to protect lives and property. This is not a movie, it's harsh reality where every second counts. Are you ready to experience true courage?
What the heck, Cap? Did something wreck over there?
Get out of the way!
Real-life heroes don't just exist in movies, and Mohammed Faisal, a tanker driver in Quetta, proved this with his incredible bravery. When his tanker erupted into flames at a gas station on Quambrani Road, Faisal didn't panic. Instead, he chose to risk his own life, driving the blazing vehicle away from a crowded area to prevent a potential catastrophe. This dramatic moment, straight out of an action film, was captured and stands as a testament to his heroism. Do you think you have the confidence and courage to face such a situation and become a firefighter? The 2019 Aeroflot plane crash shocked the people as it claimed the lives of 41 people. The Sukhoi Superjet 100, carrying 78 passengers and crew members, was struck by lightning during its journey from Moscow to Murmansk, resulting in a severe electrical failure. Captain Denis Yevdokimov was forced to make an emergency landing under challenging conditions. However, due to the aircraft landing with excessive force, the landing gear collapsed, causing fuel to leak and ignite into a fierce blaze. The catastrophic consequences led to Yevdokimov being accused of negligence and sentenced to 6 years in prison in June 2023 for violating aviation safety regulations. At around 3:30 p.m. on August 12, 2022, a massive fire broke out at the warehouse of a wholesale flour dealer on Hosterweg. During the firefighting efforts, 2 firefighters sustained severe injuries and were transported to specialized clinics for inpatient treatments. Criminal investigators have launched an inquiry to determine the cause of the fire. On Monday morning, officers from the Criminal Investigation Department, along with fire experts, arrived at the scene and discovered that vegetation on the railway embankment behind the company premises had initially caught fire. The flames then spread to Euro pallets stored within the company grounds and subsequently to the warehouse, rapidly engulfing the entire area. Thick smoke from the blaze caused injuries to the 2 firefighters, and part of the warehouse collapsed. Firefighting teams worked tirelessly to extinguish the fire.
What the heck happened? Did something wreck over there?
Get out of the way!
Caltrans announced that the southbound lanes of Highway 99 were closed at Westside Boulevard following a severe accident. A tanker truck unexpectedly lost control, veered off the highway and burst into flames on Applegate Road near the highway area. According to a representative from CAL FIRE, the intense collision caused the truck to explode, resulting in a massive fire. The California Highway Patrol, CHP, confirmed that the driver did not survive. Authorities are currently investigating the cause of the incident and working to clear the scene. At approximately 12:15 p.m. on January 8, 2025, a massive fire broke out at a facility on Post Oak Road near 145 in Wilmer, Texas. Initially, the Dallas Fire Department received a report of a vehicle fire, but upon arrival, they discovered the flames had spread to polypropylene plastic pallets stored at the facility. Strong winds exacerbated the situation, causing the fire to spread rapidly and producing a thick black column of smoke visible from afar. Firefighting teams from Wilmer, Dallas, Hutchins, Ferris, and Forney collaborated to contain the blaze, and by around 3:30 p.m., the fire was extinguished. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. The cause of the fire is currently under investigation. A fire of unknown origin broke out fiercely at the rear area of the Stevens towing yard, spreading rapidly and causing significant damage. Due to limited water supply, firefighters quickly ran out of resources as the flames engulfed a yard filled with old cars, completely destroying many vehicles.
Get set up, don't put yourself in that spot.
We got a line over this.
Multiple large explosions occurred, forcing the fire department to deploy an additional strike team to control the situation. However, firefighting efforts were severely hampered as employees and residents in the area refused to evacuate, blocked access points, and even ran through fire hoses in attempts to save their belongings. Initial reports indicated that at least one structure suffered major damage, while 3 nearby homes were at risk of the fire spreading to them. At approximately 3:45 a.m. on January 16, 2025, a severe fire broke out in the 400 block of West Poplar Street in the southern part of Shenandoah Borough, Schuylkill County, Pennsylvania. The fire started at the rear of 426 West Poplar Street and quickly spread to at least 2 neighboring houses. Firefighting units from across Schuylkill County and nearby areas were dispatched to control the blaze. However, due to low water pressure, tanker trucks were deployed to supply water from filling points at Schuylkill Energy Resources in Yatesville and the Shenandoah helipad on East Washington Street. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, and all affected homes were vacant at the time of the fire. Every extinguished fire represents a victory of courage and dedication. If you feel inspired by these unsung heroes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow more dramatic firefighting stories. Leave a 1 in the comments if you also wish to help extinguish dangerous fires.